what's up? Peejay here. I'm going to tour you around the room here in Crimson Resort. We got the Garden Deluxe room, and we'll go together. And 1, 2, 3. Whoa. So there's the TV and the bed. And we got the closet. Then we're gonna tour you around the bathroom. So there's a tub. And there's a TV. And a ceiling fan. Wow. Dako kayo lang CR. Pwede na ta matulog. Here we can use this as a room. Very nice. And the shower room. Very nice. And of course, the king's throne. And they got some toiletries, and there you go with the CR. And the mini ref. So that ends our room tour here in Crimson Resort in Mactan. So this is the Garden Deluxe room.